Welcome back to Muscle Car, the place where we explore the most jaw-dropping machines on the planet. Today we're going to talk about something so extraordinary that it feels more like a vision of the future than a real vehicle you can see on the road. This is the 2026 Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo, a motorhome unlike anything else in the world. If you thought luxury cars were impressive, or even private jets, wait until you see what this rolling palace has to offer. The first thing you notice about the Palazzo is its commanding presence. From the front, it almost looks like a futuristic spaceship has landed on Earth. The massive grille, the aerodynamic curves, and the panoramic windshield give it a unique personality that no other motorhome can match. It towers over regular vehicles and even dwarfs many buses, making everything else on the road look small in comparison. With its glossy black bodywork accented by silver chrome and dramatic LED lighting, it feels like an art piece on wheels. But what makes the Palazzo truly different is not just its size, it's the way it transforms the concept of a motorhome into something unimaginable. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a world of pure luxury. Instead of cramped quarters and simple furnishings like you'd expect in most RVs, you'll find the inside designed like a five-star hotel or even a private penthouse. Marble floors, handcrafted furniture, high-end lighting, and premium leather all come together to create an atmosphere of unmatched comfort. There's a spacious lounge area where family and friends can gather, an entertainment system that rivals private cinemas, and a kitchen that is fully equipped with the latest appliances. The dining space is elegant and refined, and when it's time to rest, you have a master bedroom with a king-sized bed and luxurious en-suite bathroom. Imagine traveling the world while always staying in the comfort of your own palace. One of the most spectacular features of the eleMMent Palazzo is the Sky Lounge. With the push of a button, the rooftop expands upward, creating a private terrace where you can relax, host a party, or simply enjoy breathtaking views from above the road. No other motorhome in the world offers something like this, and it's a feature that sets the Palazzo far ahead of the competition. Technology inside is as advanced as the design itself. From smart touch panels that let you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment, to high-speed internet and state-of-the-art security systems, every part of this vehicle is built to give you convenience and peace of mind. It's like having a smart mansion on wheels that can take you anywhere in ultimate style. Even with all of this luxury, performance hasn't been ignored. The Palazzo is powered by a powerful diesel engine capable of moving this gigantic motorhome across highways with smoothness and stability. Thanks to advanced suspension systems and modern driver assist technology, handling this behemoth is far easier than you'd imagine. Driving it feels less like steering a heavy RV and more like piloting a futuristic yacht on land. Of course, all of this comes with a price tag that makes headlines. The Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo is officially the most expensive motorhome in the world, with costs ranging anywhere from $3 million to $25 million depending on customization. For the ultra-wealthy, this is not just transportation, it's a statement, a lifestyle, and a moving palace that says you have arrived. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a work of art, a hotel suite, a luxury yacht, and a futuristic home all combined into one. That's why the 2026 Marchi Mobile eleMMent Palazzo isn't just turning heads, it's rewriting the very definition of luxury. Travel. Thanks for watching Muscle Car. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves seeing the most incredible machines ever built.